So, you want to quickly send your Solana tokens from your Phantom wallet to your Binance account. I got you. Many crypto holders in the USA and globally move assets like Solana between their Phantom wallets and exchanges for trading or other purposes. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to your Spot wallet, then select Deposit. Choose Solana SOL as the coin and make sure to select the Solana network. Binance will then display your unique SOL deposit address. Copy this address carefully. Open your Phantom wallet, click on Solana, then click Send. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field in Phantom, enter the amount of SOL you wish to send, and always double-check that the network selected in Phantom is Solana. Review the transaction details, including the address and any fees, then confirm the send. Solana is typically fast, but final confirmation also depends on Binance processing. And that's it.